I love a massage. I've been massaging everybody since I was about 15 because I've got pianist hands.
What? Pardon?
Pianist hands.
Does that mean you play the piano?
Pianist.
Yeah. There you go. Why
Right.
do you say that?
I like it hard and really deep. I do! Otherwise, you don't get the knots out.
So if a friend come round to your house...
My house?
Your house.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just a bit, you know... Anyway, if a friend come round to your house, would you say, come in, have a massage?
By the end of the week, he was being wrapped up in mud wraps and in heated blankets. Bless you. Bless you. What was that?
Excuse me.
Stop flying up your nose.
Sorry.
Jane, what about
Where were you?
No, that was Mark in a mud wrap, that's it.
That's Mark in a mud wrap. So
was
what is the film about, then, is it?
I don't know.
Apparently you play a lawyer, do you? Do you play a lawyer?
Yes, I was a lawyer. How did you
Yes.
know? What, darling?
Is there any one part that you'd still love to play?
Yes, there was. I wanted to play... Oh, I've forgotten the bloody name.
It's Leslie Phillips, everyone. in heated blankets. In heated